Hello everyone, finally I'm back cooking time with Aliana's Everything. This is the time for me the simple steak with garlic, olive oil, potatoes, and my favorite asparagus. Delicious time to cook. You'll see now. The ingredients, of course, the ribeye steak. Of course, for the seasoning, I have all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt. There's olive oil because I prefer, but some people love butter too. And there's also rosemary, but at this time I don't have rosemary. When I love asparagus, yummy. If I wanna eat steak, it should be asparagus, and of course potatoes. We also have thyme, garlic, which is like probably 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and of course parsley. As you can see, I want to have with some pinch of salt and then some of course olive oil pressed in my steak and some of the seasoning. Of course, the seasoning you need to mix, So, I need to feels like I need to massage with the meat. Of course, you need to flip for the steak so you can pour with the seasoning and of course press and massage for the meat and you'll feel the flavor once you're going to cook. After that, you just stay and you'll wait for like 10 to 15 minutes so the flavor will be so strong. Right, for the steak, of course, my potato. Of course, I need to slice and cut for the potatoes. My favorite for the asparagus, we need to clean and wash, and then I need to cut the tail for the asparagus. After that, after the 10 to 15 minutes, well, time to cook. Simple steak if you wanna cook. Aliana's Everything. See you next time. Bye.